In this tutorial, let's see another example wherein write a program to accept employee name, age and salary, and then display after accepting all the conditions are met. My first step is I'll go to the Visual Basic Application environment by pressing Alt F11. Then I'll use DIM, that is directory in memory, the employee name as string. String is nothing but alphabet. Then dim, again employee age as integer, because age is always in numbers, so I'm just typing integer. Again dim, employee salary as double, so the salary is also a number, as I, or else it can be called as integer, as I have already taken the integer option. I have used the double. Friends, whatever keywords you are seeing, that are all are highlighted in blue. These are called as reserved words, which we cannot use in the name. I have given the required declaration for my details, that is name as string, age as integer and salary as double. Now my target is to give the subject. Example 2. Then open and close the brackets. Now I have got into the macro coding mode. In between these two, a special line got created where I can write my coding. Here employee name is equals to input box. Why input box is because I have to enter the employee name every time. Then with the double quotes, enter employee name. Friends, remember whatever you have given here in your declaration, the same needs to be appeared here. Then double quotes and close the brace. Then employee age is equals to input box, then open the brace, double quote, enter employee age, double quote. Then again from the given declaration I have set what I want. Hi friends, I feel honored for watching my videos and encouraging me to do more and more videos. For viewers who haven't subscribed the channel, I request you to kindly subscribe the channel and like the videos, as more and more videos are uploaded on daily basis. As said, we need the message box. Message box, employee name, then message box, employee age, message box, employee salary. Now I have done with the code. What I have did, first I have set my coding to keep all the directories in memory, that is the employee name, age and salary. Then I have declared them. Then I'm asking them to execute. So let's see how I'll get my output. I'm executing my code. Here it's asking to enter the employee. So I'm entering my name, Raghav. Then okay. Then again it's asking the employee age. Say 25. Then again enter employee salary 100 rupees. Once we have keyed in all the details, the execution happens line by line. Raghav 25 and 100. This is called a line by line execution.